Okay, welcome back. In the previous video, we expanded 2x plus 3y, and we got this. Then I changed this up and asked you to expand 2x minus 3y. Now let's erase what we have for 2x plus 3y, and we're going to expand 2x minus 3y and see what will happen. I asked you to work it out last time. What did you get for it? Let me put the formulas in a box there. Let's see. 2x minus 3y cubed is the same as 2x plus negative 3y cubed. You see that? So what we'll have is 2x will be raised to the power of 3. Then you have 2x again raised to the power of 2. Then 2x raised to the power of 1. Then 2x raised to the power of 0. Then you will have minus y cubed. So negative, this times negative, minus 3y, I should say. Minus 3y to the 3. This will be multiplied by minus 3y to the 2. This will be multiplied by minus 3y to the 1. And this will be multiplied by minus 3y to the 0. What am I doing? My mistake. Minus 3y starts from 0 and goes up. I hope you detected that and saw what was happening. Negative 3y to the 0, negative 3y to the 1, negative 3y to the 2, negative 3y to the 3. Good. And notice that the powers always add up to 1. To 3. 3 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. So the powers of both terms must always add up to the maximum power. Alright, we want the numbers. Notice the formula, NCR, x to the r, y to the n minus r. Now, n will always be 3. So it's 3c something plus 3c something plus, this is 3c of something plus 3c. 3c of something. That something will be the same as the power of x, or in this case as the power of negative 3y. The power of 2x is 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. What you have here, NCR, when you have it in the form NCR, you have x to the r. In the form here in this example, n is 3, is 3c, the power is of, right, yeah, this is the power. In the previously I think I said negative 3y. The power here that you must look at is the power of 2x. And this number that you have below c, or after c subscript, is the same as the power of 2x. The power of 2x here is 2, so it's 2 here. The power of 2x here is 1, so it's 1 here. And the power of 2x here is 0, so it's 0 here. Alright. So, what you'll have here is 3c3, which is 1, times 2x cubed, but this is going to be 8x cubed times negative 3y to the 0. We can leave that out. Plus 3c2. 3c2 is 3 factorial, which is 3 by 2 by 1. 3 factorial is 3 by 2 by 1 divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 factorial, which is just 1, times 2 factorial, which is 2 by 1. So when you cancel, just as before, you get 3. It's 3. Then you have 2 square, which is 4, you will have a 4 times 3 here. But let's write it as this first. 3 times 2x squared. The 2 will be squared to get 4. And you have the x squared times, and the y, you will have the y as this part. Negative 3 will be to the 1. So it's negative 3 and then y. So you have that. Then you have plus what? 3c1. I remember 3c1 is the same as 3c2 because you have 3 factorial over 3 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial. So that's going to be 3 by 2 by 1 divided by 3 minus 2 factorial, which is 2 by 1 times 1, and 2 minus 1, 2 by 1 cancel 2 by 1. So this is going to be 3. Now, what you'll have here, in terms of the numbers, this will be multiplied by 2 to the 1 is 2, alright? And by the way, let me write these in green because they are the same as the C, and I wrote this C's in green here. This is this. This 3c1 is this 3 here, times this 2 times negative 3 squared. Negative 3 squared is going to be 9, so it's times 9. So it's times 9 y squared plus this number here now, 3c0. Did I put the 0 all the way out here? The 0 should be here beside the c. 3c0 is 1. So it's 1 times 2x to the 0, which is 1, times. Then you have negative 3 cubed, which is negative 27 y cubed. So let's put everything together and write down our answer. This is 8x cubed plus 3 fourths 12, but we're going to have to multiply by a negative 3. So this is going to be a minus 3 fourths 12 times negative 3, which is negative 36. So when you work that part out, you get negative 36. You see that? Positive 3 by positive 4 give you positive 12. Positive 12 by negative 3 gives you a negative 36. Then you have the x squared and the y plus. Then you have 3, 2, 6, 6, 9, 54. This will be 54. Then what happened to the x here? I didn't write the x. I left out the x, you know. You have 2 and then x. So let me just put the x here. So it's going to be x y squared. Then minus 27y cubed. So that's what you have there. All right. So we'll continue looking at the binomial expansion in the next video.